changed a bunch of things, and this is what you need to know. So let's take a look here. This is my YouTube channel, my gameplay channel. If you haven't followed that channel yet, I leave it up here for you to follow. As you see, if we go to videos here, the videos have rounded edges now, and there's more space. But on this channel, I've actually uploaded a bunch of shorts, and they're in here. In the shorts tab. As you see, at least the videos now, the thumbnails are also vertical, and this looks so much more clean, if you ask me, than it did before, where you had everything random to each other. If you've also live streamed, there will be a live stream tab as well, with the old VODs basically. And I think this might have been the thing that Twitch is really lacking. It's a way to create content out of your streams. And here, as we have videos, shorts, and live streams, we can make live streams where we make a video with long form video content, but we can also make shorts of it. You could already do this with editing software, but now what I did is on the mobile app, if we go to a video, for example, the video where how to add a wheel to OBS here, of course I'm getting a commercial first. Here at the bottom, in this wheel, we see create, and if we click on that, we can edit into a short. So if I click on this, we can select a part of the video, and we can make it up to 1 minute clip. So I'm selecting something random and clicking on next, and it says processing because it takes a little bit for it to process. And then here we can add text and filters and stuff like that. We can add some title here, we can set visible, we can say not for kids, we can add some tags. Even gives us tags that we used before. We can click on learn more, we can limit the comments here as well, and we can immediately upload that short with the upload button. We can also just cancel it by going back. What this means is that it's going to be so much easier to make content on YouTube that has different kind of formats. I do have to say that with the app, you can't say where we need to cut the vertical content, so it's gonna be always in the middle of the video. So if the content isn't right in the middle of the video, you can't make the shorts out of it. But this means that if you have streams, you can easily make a video and shorts out of it very, very easily in YouTube, and therefore diversify your content within YouTube really easily. I think this is something that Twitch is lacking a lot, because on Twitch, we have clips. If you go to video here and we click on clips, we do have clips here. Let me say longer than 30 days. We've got some clips here, but it's gonna be harder to make vertical content from it because this is all vertical. So what we need to do is we need to download it, put it in the converter to make TikTok or YouTube Shorts from it. Twitch itself is not pushing these clips. So that's the difference with YouTube, where YouTube is pushing the clips and makes it easy to make vertical content from it. I think Twitch needs to really step up the game if they want to keep up with YouTube if they start doing this. YouTube is already one step ahead at this point. I do like streaming on Twitch a lot more because of their API and the community. However, the question is just how long is it gonna take for YouTube to actually be that good at the API as well? If they find out that people are searching for these options and that's why they're at Twitch, how long is it gonna take for YouTube to implement them? I don't know. But do you want to know how to actually make vertical content out of Twitch clips? Not a problem, because I got a video right here and I will see you there.